Unlock the power of lean startup principles and learn how to create a minimum viable product, MVP, that attracts customers and validates your business idea. This video provides actionable steps and real-world examples to help you build a successful venture. Let's explore the art of lean startup MVP, the problem with traditional business models. The traditional approach to launching a product or service often goes something like this. You spend months, even years, developing something, pour a fortune into marketing, and then you hope it works. This often leads to failure. Many businesses fail before they even launch, simply due to a lack of customer validation. They build something that nobody actually wants or needs. The traditional model is inefficient and incredibly risky, often leaving entrepreneurs facing significant financial losses, both financially and emotionally. Introducing the lean startup methodology. That's where the lean startup methodology comes in. Its core principle is all about testing your ideas with real customers early and often. The focus shifts dramatically away from building a perfect, fully featured product from the outset. Instead, the emphasis is on creating a minimum viable product, MVP, the most basic version of your offering that still delivers core value. This approach allows you to get valuable feedback quickly, iterate rapidly, and adapt your product to meet actual customer needs, not just your assumptions. What is an MVP? So what exactly is an MVP? An MVP is the most basic version of your product or service that delivers core value to your customers. It's not a half-baked product. It's a strategically stripped-down version that allows you to test your key assumptions. The goal is to get your product in front of real users as quickly as possible. This allows you to gather feedback, learn what resonates with them, and understand what they actually want and need. Ultimately, the MVP allows you to learn and validate your assumptions before investing significant resources in building a fully fledged product that might not even be successful. Building your MVP, a practical guide. Okay, let's get practical. How do you actually build an MVP? First, you need to clearly identify your target audience and their needs. Who are you building this for? What problem are you solving? What are their pain points? Then, choose the simplest way to test your core value proposition. This might be a landing page explaining your product and collecting email signups, a simple prototype with limited functionality, or even a pre-order form to gauge interest. The crucial step is to get real-world feedback from your target audience. What do they think? What do they like? What are their suggestions? Use this feedback to iterate and improve your MVP. From MVP to success, scaling and growth. The MVP isn't the final product, it's the foundation. Use the data you gather from your MVP to inform your product development roadmap. What features should you prioritize? What needs to be tweaked? What should be scrapped? Continuously iterate and improve your product based on this customer feedback. This iterative process ensures you're building something that people genuinely want and are willing to use. As your business grows and you gain traction, you can then expand your product or service offerings to meet the evolving needs of your growing customer base. The MVP is the starting point for a successful, customer-centric venture.